Nokia phone. Red Nokia.
Okay, today we have the Nokia 1. It's just been launched.
This was a green Nokia, a red Nokia phone.
Yeah.
And this was okay. That's a red Nokia phone.
Okay, bring it down. Let's see. Okay, you want to open it?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's open it. Okay, wait. Let's see.
It's a red Nokia phone.
Okay, so it's a red Nokia phone. Sure, it's bright red.
Red Nokia phone.
Okay, let's see what else comes in the box, then we'll come back to the phone. Okay, so
It's a Nokia phone.
we have, this looks like the headphones.
Headphones.
Okay, then we have the charger. What's this? Is this a charger?
Yeah.
Okay, looks like the charger. And then
There's a box.
there's a box. What's in the box?
Function.
Oh, it's the battery. Oh.
There is a Nokia phone.
Okay, so we're going to open up
Red
the
Nokia phone.
phone. Oh wow, it looks so cool.
Looks like it's a red Nokia phone.
Yeah, and then we're gonna need the battery for the phone.
This is a box. Looks like a red Nokia phone.
So you saw the box looks like a red Nokia phone.
It's a red Nokia phone.
Okay, now we need to see how we're going to open this.
There's a Nokia phone. There was a white Nokia.
Easy express on cover that just comes off in bright red. We see that the charger goes, the battery goes here,
Nokia phone.
your SIM card goes in there, and then we just clip it back
Need to charge it.
and
Need to open it.
put it on.
There is it.
So it's powered by Android Go edition. And we hear the Nokia coming on. Okay, so welcome. Let's go connect to mobile. We'll skip that. We'll put on our mobile later. And we start up as new. We can just connect
There is a
to
blue Nokia phone there.
Oh, we can skip the Wi-Fi for now.
See? You see? You see?
And we'll just continue.
Now wait.
Okay, Isa wants to play with it. We need to set it up first, go to next. We'll do all the setups later. We'll just try and get it on. And
There's a other thing.
just have to agree to all the Google terms and conditions.
Looks like it's this red Nokia phone.
Okay, looks like a red Nokia phone. And let's go.
It's watching on YouTube.
We can watch YouTube. there is Wi-Fi on there. It is Wi-Fi enabled,
There was
so we probably can watch YouTube. It's got the normal interface of the other Nokias, like you would see on your, well, any Android phone actually. There's a Google Assist there.
YouTube's?
Yeah, Isa just wants to go to YouTube, and you can see it's the Android Go edition, so everything is on Go, Gmail Go, Google Go, Files on Go, Maps Go, and it has all your standard, and it has YouTube. Yeah, and Isa says it has YouTube as well. And let's see the camera.
The camera.
Isa likes to play with the camera. Okay, and it's got the new interface, as we saw on the new Nokias. And Isa's taking a photo of himself. And yeah, we're gonna give it a review. We'll use it for the next few days and see how it is, and hopefully do some videos on it.